James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of something I've been needing for a while now. This is the Elgato Stream Deck. This is the 15 button version. It goes for about $130 on Amazon right now, but they do have a 32 button version if you guys need that. I'll leave a link to the description in the bottom for this one. You can also grab the 32 button off the same link if you guys really need. So like I said, it is a Stream Deck. It will help you stream or other, or other properties. You can make it hotkeys, whatever you want. Has 15 buttons, but it has unlimited profiles. So you can actually make folders with inside these folders. You can make, more scenes. So every time you click a folder, you'll have 15 buttons set up, or folders and folders. We'll walk you through that on a software walkthrough, but this is pretty much just the unboxing to show you what you guys are getting. On here you have the logo, Stream Deck. Evolve your content, and then it has it in another language. Nice little design, shows you what you're getting, which is pretty cool. Their name down the bottom, Elgato. Right here, Elgato 2 on the back. Tells you what you got. It's compatible with Mac, Windows 10 compatible, Streamlabs, OBS, Twitch, all the good stuff. XS splits, mixer, stuff like that. Technical specifications. Works with Windows 10-bit, 64-bit, or Mac OS 10.10 or 11 or higher. If I read that right, 10.11 or higher. 15 customizable LCD keys. So you have 15 keys. Each one can change a logo. You can add logos to each key so you know what you're doing. It is USB 2.0. That is in the box, I believe. It is, then it says the size. I'm not going to worry about the size. You'll see that. Tells you about customizable, easy to set up drop and drag, or drag and drop actions into the Stream Deck. Personalized keys, like I just said. You can design your own logos or use a pre-designed packs that they have. Unlimited profiles, create, store, and switch on the fly. Configurations, that's just another language showing you, pretty much, tactical control, tap to stream, record, or switch scenes, and more. Live media, launch on-screen GIFs and audio clips automatically, which we'll be doing all that inside the software walkthrough that I'll be doing. Instant engagement, tweet at the perfect moment. So if you need a tweet, you can send a tweet out instantly by hitting a button. Pretty cool. We're going to pop this open. I have my knife. We're going to cut the tags. I'm going to throw the knife away. Not really. I'm going to throw it away from me. Inside, we will set the box over here. Inside the box, you have some padding, which is pretty cool that they padded it. This is where you get your first look. This is the Stream Deck. It is small. It's not big. Like I said, 15 buttons. 3, 3, and 3. So you have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 3 rows of 5. Up here you have a little booklet. Inside the booklet is your quick start guide. The quick start guide pretty much tells you download and install the Stream Deck app, and that's elgato.com/gaming or /gaming/download. That link I will leave in the bottom of the description also, so you guys have that. So just a quick, grab so you guys have it. Connect stream directly to your USB port onto your PC or Mac. Do not use the USB hub, or do not use a hub. So this must be directly connected to your USB port with no hub. Which is pretty understandable. Inside here, launch apps, customize. It tells you how to do it. We're not going to get really into all this. This is that separate thing. Pretty much here is your device. I will set this over here for a second, and I will grab the other piece out. And it looks like we have another little packet. Inside this packet is a whole bunch of languages. Important safety instructions. Your safety instructions, thank you for purchasing this. Please be careful for maintenance, battery powered operations and stuff like that. We're not going to worry about that. This part is your stand. It does come with the stand. If you want it to lay down, you can leave it laying down, or if you want it to set up, you can set it up to stand in several positions, different lengths or heights, you know, or even if you want to go up higher, or if you just want to go, you know, like this, you have another height that you can pretty much do all these heights to. Let's see if we can set this like that. There. So you have different heights there also. Pretty cool. The deck itself is rather small. Like I said, it's just, you know, size of my hand. That's pretty cool. Nice little logo. It's definitely feels nice. The buttons are nice, soft, easy clickable. You don't hear them really. I mean, not too bad. On the back, tells you your model number, made in Taiwan, Elgato, you know, FC's rules and all stuff like that. Then you have your USB cord. I'm going to suggest it's probably about 6 feet or so. We won't really actually unfold this in the stream. Now, like I said, you can set it onto this. This is where, you know, you will make it, or you can close it all the way down and leave it down like that. Or, if you want it up higher, just like that. If I set this right. So, just like that, it'd be sitting on your desk. Or if you want it down lower, but in, you know, different angle. Let's drop out the smaller ones. Let's drop it down. Or you have a lower pattern. Pretty cool, awesome little product. You know, about $130 right now. That is the unboxing. Like I said, we will be getting into a software use and a software video. This one will come out, and it will probably be about 3 or 4 days after that before I get the software video out, because I'm gonna have to test it first, see, you know, everything before I can, you know, explain it and stream it and, you know, show it out to you guys. So that's what we'll do there. I thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Elgato 15 key stream deck, and keep your eyes out for more on dragonblotter.com to come.